welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this Galaxy Seeing Eye look that I did for the NYX Face Awards 2019. So first things first, we need to apply liquid latex to the face in the areas that we want it to look like our skin is peeling off, or in this case the Galaxy is peeling up. So I'm applying that with a earbud, and then I'm going to be sticking some toilet paper on top of that. I repeat the process 2 times and allow that to dry. Once the liquid latex and the toilet paper have dried all the layers that you decide to do, then what you're going to do is you're going to peel just the one end off and kind of stretch it to give it that folded, stretchy skin look. I want to move on to painting the Galaxy part of the look. What I'm using here is aqua paints and a flat top brush to apply it with. I started with the lighter colors like the light blues and the light pinks, and then moved my way to the darker colors. I found that this was a much better way of doing it than starting with the darker colors and trying to add the lighter colors on top. next up, what we need to do is we need to stick our eye onto our foreheads. I made the eye out of a lightweight air drying clay because I didn't have any of my actual special effects things with me. So what I did is I sculpted the eye and allowed it to dry over 24 hours. I then painted it and allowed that to dry. Anyway, we stick that onto the head using skin safe glue, and we blend the edges using cotton wool and latex. And then if there are still any edges showing, we will be adding little gems just to embellish everything and make it look so much better.